Marv. On that time it was the west, very northwest of the Islamic area. It was a good opportunity for them to learn from Imam al-Ridha alayhi salam. So they gathered there and they started asking their question. So today I would like to raise again this question and get the answer from the teaching of Imam al-Ridha alayhi salam. They asked, "Oh Imam, you are full of truth. How we can revive your teachings? كيف يحيي أمركم?" How it come for us, how it is possible for us to revive your teaching in a way that we know that we did our responsibility, we did our job. Imam al-Ridha alayhi salam responded in a way that I think this response to the questions, this reply to the questions still can work, and still it is the answer of our questions as well. Imam al-Ridha alayhi salam answered, لو أن الناس علم